Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I am going to do an easy peanut butter candy pie. First thing I need to do is put this pie crust in the oven. It is a pre-made frozen pie crust from the Wally Mart. I didn't feel like making pie crust, so I just went the easy route. Just took this out of the freezers, let it set for about 10 minutes or so. Gonna put it in the preheated oven at 400 for about 12 to 15 minutes. That should bake it up nicely. If not, I'll let it stay in a little bit longer, and then I can put my filling in once it cools down and get that in the refrigerator. So let me get started. I'm gonna throw this in the oven and then I'm gonna work on my filling. Okay, the first thing I need to do is throw in a block of 8-ounce cream cheese. I'm going to go ahead and mix this around a little bit and try to get it a little bit smoother than just a block. Alright, that looks pretty good. Next I'm going to throw in my 1 cup of peanut butter. Whatever is your favorite peanut butter, that's the one you can use. I am going to mix those together. Next, I'm going to add about a 1/3 cup of sweetened condensed milk, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. I think that was a little more than half. It kind of splurted there, but that's fine. And I'm going to mix all that together. I'm going to add in about a 1/2 tub of Cool Whip. You could use whipping cream and make your own. I'm doing this the easy way today. I'm also going to add in about a 1/2 cup of Reese's Pieces. If you're wondering, those movie boxes that they sell at Walmart is right at what you need. I'm going to save just a few because I want to put some on top. And same for some pieces, about a 1/2 cup of Reese cups. And I just took some of they come in like 5 in a pack. I just took those and split them up in, pieces. But I'm going to save a few for the topping. I'm going to try to gently mix this. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Now I'm just waiting on that crust. My pie crust is all done, and I have a bad feeling I may have too much mixture. Been there, done that. I'm gonna just spoon this into the pie crust. It won't take much for this to set up because it's really thick. Be a little bit thick of a pie, but not too bad. I'm just gonna kind of smooth that out a little bit. The pie crust kind of baked to one side, which is a little odd. It's been years since I've used a pie crust like this. Maybe they just don't make them like they used to. I don't know. Just gonna smooth that around. Kind of even it out. Then I am going to just add, obviously you can see some of the candy anyway. No particular order. It looks pretty good. Now I'm going to set this in the refrigerator for probably a couple of hours, let it get nice and chilled down, set up, and then I'll get it out and give it a taste test. This has been chilling for a bit. Going to attempt to get this little piece out of here and give it a taste. So you can see the inside there of the pie. Pretty thick. It's a pretty thick pie. Let's see what it tastes like. That is really good. That is good. Some good pie. Jesse's gonna love this because he loves peanut butter. That is really good. Very sweet, but really good. So if you decide to make this pie, leave me a comment below and tell me what you think about it, or if you've already made this pie, tell me what you thought about it. Is this something that you would try to make? Let me know. Thanks for watching and happy eating.